Hello investors, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be talking about my Robinhood portfolio. So as you all know, these are my growth stocks. That also includes some dividends, but it's not my dividend portfolio. So let's look at the portfolio. So right now the portfolio is worth 6,800 pretty much, and on Friday we were pretty much breaking even. On Friday the market went down a little bit, then it recovered by the end of the day. Now on the 1 week chart we are up $109 for the week. For the month, we are up only $1.54. As you can see, the market has been up and down. It's been pretty volatile, but it's been recovering this past week or two. In the past 3 months, we are up $29.06, and in the past year, we're up $305.79, which is not too bad, but we were up right here, if you look, about $663 at one point. Now, some big things that happened in the portfolio is we sold Enphase Energy. That is one thing I will be telling you guys. Enphase Energy has been taking a dip. It was kind of, I believe Kramer talked about it. Don't quote me on this one. I believe he talked about it on one of the shows, and the stock has been down. I mean, look at the 1 week; it's down 11%. The 1 month, it's down like 19%. So Enphase Energy is from like $35 all the way down to 25 right now. I got out at the top. My average buy price was $25. I sold at around, I believe, like 33. So I made about $200 profit on Enphase Energy, and I got out. I might reinvest sometime in the future, but for now I'm out. So before we get into the portfolio, let's check out this free stock from one of you guys. Don't forget, I have a referral link in the description. If you sign up for Robinhood, you get a free stock that is worth up to like $200, $300, depending. It's random. So if you want to sign up for Robinhood and trade stocks, you can use that link. I also have an M1 Finance portfolio link in there, so you can sign up for M1 Finance and get $10. Now let's go ahead and pick this middle one right here, and let's see what we get. We get GE. Oh wow, that's pretty cool. GE, I do not have that, but you now own one share of GE. Thank you for using my referral, guys. That is worth $8.68. Okay, so now we have that in the portfolio, and let's get into the portfolio, guys. So first up, we have that Disney call that I still own. It is for January 17, 2020. The January 17, 2020 call for 180. And I am down. It's been horrible. I mean, at one point I was actually profiting. I was up about like $20, $30, and then it's just been sinking. Disney hasn't been doing too well. So on this position, I'm actually down 80%, which is $110. My average cost was $136. Right now it's $26. But it's not. I still have time. We still have about 4 months, so we'll see what happens. The first stock in our portfolio is going to be Microsoft. Microsoft, for the, as you can see right there, on Friday it was down about $1. For the past week, it's up actually about 2%, $2.65. We have 13 shares of Microsoft at a value of $1,809. Our total return is $162, which is about 10%, and our average cost is $126.67. Now, I did just buy some shares of this one this month, because I sold the Enphase Energy. I grabbed some more. So as you can see right there, I bought one share at $138.12. And I guess we might as well check out this dividend right here that we're going to be receiving on September 12th. We're going to be receiving $5.52 from this dividend, which is amazing. Microsoft, in my opinion, I believe right now it's still the #1 company, like money-wise. The market cap is over $1 billion. So, that is amazing for the company. Yeah, Microsoft, great pick for me in my opinion. In the past 3 months, it's actually still up 5%, even though it's been going up and down. In the past year, it's up 28%. In the past 5 years, it's up 212% or 202%. Excuse me for that. All right, the next one. Next up, we have Disney. Disney is at $139.71 currently. It was up about 87 cents on Friday. For the week, it's actually been doing pretty great. Disney is back on track. It's up about 2.45%, which is $3.34. For the month, we're up about 1.9%, and then for the three months, we're only up about 0.5%. It was at that all-time high at around like 147, went down to like 130ish, and now it's kind of recovering back. So I'm actually glad Disney is doing very good. We're going to be having some numbers reporting soon. We have 19 shares of Disney. Our equity value is $2,654. Our average cost is $131.69. Our total return on Disney is $152.37, which is about 6%. And then down here, as you see, I actually bought more. Right here on August 29th, I bought 2 more shares at an average cost of $138. That was also once I sold my Enphase Energy, and I sold some other things I will show you. Next up, we have AMD. AMD was down about 2.5% on Friday. For the week, we are down about 1% almost. For the month, it's down actually 8.3%. And then the 3 months, it's down 8.5%. And for the year, it's up about 9%. And the 5-year, it's up about 637%. So right now, it's kind of like, you know, up and down. It keeps going up and down. It can't beat that all-time high. We have 10 shares at an equity value of $306.60. Our average cost is $28.47, and our total return is $21.92, which is about 7.7%. Next up in the portfolio, we have McDonald's. McDonald's is one of my favorite stocks in my portfolio. It's at $220 currently. On Friday, it was up about 2.5%. For the week, McDonald's is up about 1%, and then for the month, we're up about 0.9%. For the 3 months, we're up about 6.7%, and then on the 1-year chart, it's up about 34%. And on the 5-year, of course, it's going to be like 137%. So we have 6 shares of McDonald's at an equity value of $1,320. Our average buy cost is $210. That is because I just bought some. Our average buy price was like $200 actually before that. But our total return is $58.03, which is about 4.6%. And then as you can see right here, we bought 1 share, I believe. Oh, actually I bought more. I bought 2 shares at $220.63, and then I bought another share on the same day for $220.62. So I bought 3 more shares this month, and then we have a dividend coming up on September 17th. So as you can see right there, we're going to be receiving $6.96, so $1.16 per share. That is great. And then last but not least, we have Waste Management. It is up about 0.2% on Friday. For the week, we're up about, we're actually down 0.14%. And then for the month, it's up about 0.5%. And on the 3-month chart, it's up about 4.3%. The 1-year, as you can see, 32%. And then on the 5-year, of course, it's up about 153%. We own 5 shares of Waste Management. Our equity value is $596.65. Our average cost is $112. And our total return is $36.65, which is about 6.5%. So as you can see, we're not doing too bad on the portfolio. The portfolio is doing great, and of course, right now we just got the GE. But some things we can talk about right now is something I want to talk about is you know, the stock market currently. This past week has been pretty good, but on Friday stocks closed, you know, with little change because of disappointing job earnings. But the stock market has been rising for 2 weeks now straight, pretty much. If you look for the week, Dow Jones and S&P 500, you know, they both gained about 1.5 to 1.8% for the week. That is great, and that is all because USA and China could be making some progress because they are going to be having some trade talk coming up in October. They agreed to it, so we'll see what happens with that. Now, as you can see right there, China's Ministry of Commerce said Thursday that Liu He, the country's top trade negotiator, spoke by phone with the U.S. Trade Representative Robert and Treasury Secretary Stephen, and they agreed to meet in early October for another round of negotiations. So that is something we're going to be looking forward to in the next, you know, month and a half, probably, or 2 months. But you know, they could be coming through a breakthrough, and they might we might make some good moves in the future. The good thing right now for the USA is that we are hitting all-time highs almost. We're only, I believe, down like 600 points on the Dow Jones, and if we can get past that, we might be hitting all-time highs. Now, just imagine what's going to happen if we make some, you know, progress with the China talk. That could really boost the prices up. So I'm hoping that we finish this trade talk and things go smooth. But everything in my portfolio is looking good. Let's look right here for the total price. It'll show you right here. Total gain and loss. So, you know, on the call we're down 110, on the Microsoft we're up $162, Disney up 152, AMD up 21, McDonald's up 58, and then Waste Management we're up $36, and GE I just got for free, so that one doesn't count. But yeah, my portfolio has been doing good. I only have like 4 or 5 stocks right now. My dividend portfolio is what I'm going to be focusing on more, so I'm going to be adding more money to that portfolio, which you guys can see the videos in my channel of my M1 Finance portfolio. It's all dividends. So yeah, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash that like button for me, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment below how your portfolio has been doing and what is your #1 holding, and I'll see you guys in the next video.